All right, so in this video, I'm gonna start a brand new dropshipping business from scratch and show you how to go from having no idea where to start to making money with an online store as quick as possible. We're gonna go through finding a product, making creative videos, building a store, running ads, and we're gonna make our first sale in the next 24 hours. So let the timer start now. Now, dropshipping is a business that's always changing. What worked last year won't work now, and what's working now probably won't work next year. But the principles behind what makes people wanna purchase a product online are always gonna be the same. Are you selling a product that solves a problem or is targeting a passionate community? Do you have highly engaging ads that don't feel like ads? Do you have good branding? And does your product have a high perceived value and high margins that will let you become profitable with it? So with that in mind, let's find a product.
This is a real business I plan to get rich from.
Now, the most consistent way to find good products right now for absolutely free is by scrolling on Instagram and TikTok with a new account and engaging with every dropship video and ad that you see. The more you do this, the more you start to see videos from dropshippers, and you can start to see what products are working right now. To give you an idea of what I mean, there's a couple of products that I've been seeing a ton recently. One of them is these heart necklaces, since we're coming off of the holidays and it's almost Valentine's Day. These types of products have always done well since I started paying attention to dropshipping in like 2017. Another product that I've seen a lot is this display frame, and as you can see, there are a ton of videos that have blown up for this product. And the reason that these videos do well is not because this is some high quality, insane wow factor product. It's just because the videos are really engaging, and they often target a passionate community like Hot Wheels and collector items. Now, if this was a few months ago, I would consider testing this product because it obviously has a ton of demand. It's a super cheap product and probably has some crazy high margins. But from my experience, the hardest part about this entire process of finding products is finding things that aren't completely oversaturated. And if you search this display frame product, you will see there are probably hundreds of accounts trying to sell this, and they're all pretty much using the same selling point, that the plastic is super strong and that you can display your items in it. So I'm gonna keep scrolling to see if we can find something better than this. Okay, so I've been scrolling for about an hour now, and every time I find a product that falls into our winning product criteria, I've just been adding it into a list of potential products to test. And we have a decent list built up here, but the product that I think has the most potential for success is this one right here. So this is a privacy phone case that makes your screen look black from the side so people can't spy on your screen in public. And yeah, I already ordered it. I did this entire process a couple days ago because I knew I was filming this video, but whatever, let's pretend like this was all just happening right now. Now, the reason I think this product has the most potential for success is, number one, the main competitor for this product has multiple viral videos already. Number two, all of their videos look the same, which means they haven't tried refilming any creatives and taking a new approach to selling this product, which gives us an opportunity to try something new. And number three, their website looks very basic, and I think that we could do a better job than this. Now, just because these products have videos that are blowing up doesn't necessarily mean that they're making money. So I'm gonna be using Shop Hunter to verify that our competitors are making money. And if they are, that likely means that there's room for us to, sneak in there and take a little share of that market. Now, the way Shop Hunter works is it lets you analyze your competitors' websites and see how many sales they're getting. So let's take a look at our main competitor, and it looks like this month they've made over $14,000 selling this product. And I'm gonna check another competitor that I found for this same product, and it looks like this guy is getting some decent sales too, $4,715 this month. And just for fun, let's see how that freeze display product is doing. I'm really curious. All right, about $2,600 this month. Not too bad for little plastic thing you can get at the dollar store.
I'm the big dilf. Don't do that. Get your money up, not your funny up.
All right, so now that we have a good product that we know is making sales, the next step is to find this product for a good price from a good supplier. And we're gonna be doing this with AutoDS. So AutoDS is a sourcing tool and a product research tool that you can integrate right into your Shopify store. And basically they have access to warehouses all around the world for just about any product, and they'll find you the quickest shipping times and the cheapest prices for that product. Without a service like this, you're basically stuck with the really long AliExpress shipping times or trying to negotiate with Chinese suppliers all on your own. So once you find a product, you can check AutoDS's marketplace to see if they already have a connection to any US warehouses already carrying that product. For our product, it doesn't look like they have it, so I just opened up a sourcing request, and their team responded really quickly and found me our same product for $2 cheaper than AliExpress and with faster shipping. Now from here, I'm also going to be using AutoDS to fulfill any orders once they start coming in and we start making sales. By syncing up your product from AutoDS to your Shopify store, you can literally just let AutoDS handle everything on the fulfillment side for you. So it's literally a no-brainer. This is the most used sourcing tool in dropshipping right now. And if you guys want to try AutoDS out free on your store for 30 30 days, you can use the link in my description. Okay, cool. So now that we have a good product and we know we can source it for a good price, we have two options to start making some sales. Number one would be to start making TikTok and Instagram videos for your product until you see some traction and make some sales off of those videos without any marketing spend. So you're going to order the product to your house and then find your competitors' biggest videos and just recreate them. So use the same hooks, the same trending sounds, and you want to post at least 3 times a day on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. Or number two would be to jump straight into paid ads. If you're new to this business or don't have a big budget to spend, I wouldn't recommend getting into paid ads right away because you're probably going to spend a bunch of money without getting any results. So just start with the organic videos. And that's what I've been doing with our product. So we have a decent amount of videos posted here and a couple of them have gotten some decent views. So when we start running ads, these will be the first videos that we test because we know that they're already doing well just on people who are scrolling on TikTok organically. Now your website is going to be the last piece of this puzzle, and honestly it's probably the least important part of this entire process, because if you don't have a good product, good ads, and a good offer, nobody's even going to come to your website, let alone purchase the product. That being said, by studying some of the biggest stores in the space, you can see what they're doing differently than all of the other dropshippers that fail. And then once you start making sales, you can maximize how much you're making for every single person that comes to your store. Fabulove, High Smile, Hero Cosmetics. These are all brands that started out dropshipping and now are making millions of dollars every single year, because that should be the goal at the end of the day. That's where the real money is in making brands and not some quick store that makes some sales and then dies out in a couple weeks. Now, first thing when it comes to making our store is we want to collect as much content as possible. So this means going to AliExpress, Amazon, and your competitors' websites, finding as many high quality photos as possible, seeing what kind of text and product descriptions that they're using on their product pages. And then once you have a bunch of text, if you just want to go the easiest route possible, you can go to ChatGPT, put in that product description and tell it to rewrite you a better one, and add some reviews at the bottom of your page. And now we have a product page that looks like this. We have good photos, we have good product descriptions, we added a bundle option, so if somebody buys 2, they get 20% off, buy 3, you get 30% off. And overall, I think this looks way better than our competitors' websites. So now the only thing left to do is to start running some ads. Now, TikTok is definitely the easiest ad platform when it comes to running ads, because we can just let these ads run without any targeting and let TikTok figure out who the right audience for our videos is. So for this product, we're going to set up 5 ad groups that are spending $25 a day with each of our best performing TikTok videos in each ad group. We're going to use Spark Ads, which lets you advertise the videos that are already on your TikTok and already have engagement. That way, people who are scrolling and see your ad pop up, they see that there's already people who are liking and commenting on that video, and it helps give your account a boost at the same time. All right, so we're gonna set these ads up to start running at 6 a.m. tomorrow, and let's see what happens. All right, so it has officially been 24 hours since we started this dropshipping store. Our ads have been running for a little over 12 hours now, and so far we spent $80 in ads to make $90 in sales so far. Now you might be looking at that and saying that's not even good results, you're not even profitable after the product cost, which is true, but the actual important thing to look at is how are each of those individual ad groups performing. And as you can see, all of our sales have come from 2 ad groups, both of which are profitable right now. And that's a really good sign. So from those results, it looks like this product has some potential. So if you guys want to see me keep running this store and try to scale it up, leave a like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.